In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Brave browser not opening or working on Windows. By the end of this video, you'll be able to launch Brave normally on your Windows PC and use it without crashes or errors. First, press Ctrl+, Shift+, Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for any Brave or Brave browser entries. If you see multiple, select the top one, then click End Task. Repeat until all Brave processes are closed. This makes sure nothing stuck in the background is blocking a clean start. Next, restart your PC. Click Start, select the power icon, and choose Restart. Let Windows come back to the desktop before moving on. Now try launching Brave with elevated permissions. Right-click the Brave icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Then click Run as Administrator. If a prompt appears, choose Yes. This helps if permissions or updates are preventing Brave from opening normally. From here, reset the Brave profile folder by renaming it. Open File Explorer. Click in the address bar, type or paste %local app data /Brave software /Brave-browser /user data and press Enter. In this folder, find the folder named Default. Right-click it, choose Rename, and change it to Default_Backup. Press Enter to confirm. This safely backs up your profile data while allowing Brave to create a fresh profile the next time it starts. Once that's done, disable all extensions in Brave. Open Brave, click the menu in the top right, and choose Extensions. Turn off every extension by toggling each switch to the off position. If prompted to relaunch, allow it. Extensions can cause startup issues, so this tests Brave in a clean state. And now, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall to rule out security blocking. On Windows Security, open Settings, select Privacy and Security, then Windows Security, and click Open Windows Security. Choose Firewall and Network Protection, select your active network, and toggle Microsoft Defender Firewall off. Confirm the change, test Brave. Because this is only a test, return to the same screen and turn the firewall back on immediately after checking. If you use third-party security software, use its interface to disable protection briefly, then re-enable it after testing. If Brave still won't open or work correctly, uninstall and reinstall the latest version. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features. Find Brave, select it, and click Uninstall. Confirm any prompts to remove it. After it's removed, open your browser, go to Brave's official website, download the latest installer, and run it. Follow the on-screen steps to complete installation. Launch Brave when it finishes. Next, adjust compatibility settings. Right-click the Brave shortcut or executable, choose Properties, and open the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode pick an option from the list, then click Apply and OK. Launch Brave again to see if it starts more reliably under this setting. You can return here and uncheck it later if needed. At this point, check Windows updates to ensure your system components are current. Open Settings, select Windows Update, and click Check for updates. If updates are available, choose Download and Install. If Windows asks to restart, allow it. After the restart, open Brave and confirm it starts and runs as expected. That's it. Brave browser should now be opening and working correctly on Windows, and you can browse without issues. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.